All right, guys, so today I want to give you a little bit of a taste or glimpse of how we use our 3 core insider tools. And I'm going to break that down to you here in just a second. And it's really why I had these things created in the first place, because we can start with one insider piece, find an idea, that's good, that's great. But then when we add another one on top of that to add confluence, that makes it even better. And then we can add a third piece on top of that. That's what makes it what we call a Cadillac trade. And so again, at the end of the day, it's about putting odds on your side, enhancing your probabilities when and where you can. Will we always be able to put everything together for that ultimate A-plus trade? Not necessarily, but let's talk about what that can look like. So right now, these are a group of seasonal averages. And this is, let's see, we've got 10 years of data in blue. Okay, we've got 20 years of data in yellow, and we've got 40 years of data, 45 years of data actually there in red. And so all we're doing based off Trend Insider here is we're looking to trade the dips and turns, the peaks and troughs and valleys of whatever asset is. And don't worry, I'm going to share what asset we're looking at. And so this is clearly telling us that this market, this stock, typically or has historically found a bottom around this time of the year. In fact, we get a brief pop here early March. Then we do get a small retracement, and then this is the ideal bread and butter cycle play here. We find a cycle low here on a 10, 20, and 45-year database, and then the market goes higher. Now, having this idea alone and using this data alone is a high conviction play for me. But what if you knew that this stock was Occidental Petroleum, OXY? Okay, what is so special about OXY? If you go over to our Elite Insider dashboard, we can see a swath of institutional buying, insider buying. And these aren't some random insiders. This isn't the water boy. These are politicians. Politicians, as well as Uncle Warren, the Oracle of Omaha himself. We can take a small glimpse in the middle of this chart and see the size of buying by Berkshire Hathaway. I'm not even going to read them. The numbers are too large for me to read. You can see the buying and the conviction by Warren Buffett going all the way back to 2023. Now, the third piece of this is that we know this is an oil-related stock. And if we were tracking crude oil here on a week over week over week over week basis, tracking the smart money, institutional funds, hedge funds, managed money, commodity pools, and commodity trading advisors, we knew that they are piling into the oil market. Okay, they've been piling into the oil market. And in fact, we are now entering the most bullish window of the year for crude oil. So cycles and seasonality suggest buying the dip. So I'm going to be hosting a free workshop where I'm going to break this down, how we follow the smart money, their positioning in the commodity markets, how we take that data, we take that analysis, and we can take these commodity-based trades in the equity and equity option markets. I'll see you there.